If you are a beginner, what all you need to practice. Any pencil with HB or to be lead. Any paper, in fact newspaper also works. Any rubber. No fancy things required in the beginning. First start with basic grip, tripod grip, because we are used to it. Start with small horizontal lines, don't rush for big lines. Use little finger or palm for support. Palm is only for the support so that you can move your hand in flow. Don't move your hand too fast or too slow. Hand speed has to build connection with eye, shoulder muscle memory, and brain. Try to make lines without the support of finger and palm so that it will train your muscle memory. Don't hold your pencil too hard or too loose. Once you are good with small lines, then increase the size of lines. Practice as many pages as you can. Practice 15 to 20 minutes daily, at least for 2 weeks. When you feel that you can make bigger lines straight in a flow and parallel to each other, then we move on to the next exercise. Start your practice journey with me step by step. I will give you tips during exercises. Try not to use finger or palm support. You will gradually reach to make straight line in a flow. It is okay if you are not able to make straight line or parallel line in the beginning. Practice all these lines for 2 weeks at least. Come and join me practice session with me. Let's grow our skill together. All the best, and if you like my session then please do like, subscribe and share my video with your friends and family.